is Moots over here at Trask in Phoenix, Arizona. I just wanted to go through a little alignment procedure of how we check and test our sprocket's alignment to the transmission sprocket. As you can see, I've got a magnetic base laser beam here. I got it shot down the center of the rear sprocket and also shining off the tip of the front sprocket. In addition to that, I've also got the straight edge here, flat against the rear sprocket, and it's making contact square and true to the front sprocket. Okay, so I got the inner primary here. The sprocket will rotate in here, and the chain will come across like this. So here's a lug or a casting that they put into the primary, and I simply took a file and ran it in here, took a little bit of material off it, and then I'm going to touch it up with some paint, and that'll clear the pins from contacting the inner primary. So it's a real simple installation. Chain will run true, no contact with the primary, and no belt breakage.